Hello, foreign friends. This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services. And this episode, we'll be talking about the visa approval process. So, going back with our previous episode in which we talk about the filing, you have completely filed your visa application process. Now, it's the time for you to wait for the approval of your visa application. So, first scenario, you filed it in the district office. They're gonna make an endorsement if you qualified or that merits your qualification on that particular visa application from the district office. They're gonna forward it to the main office. Now, the main office will do checks. They're gonna do verification. So they will be receiving that from the district office, even if the district office have actually evaluated your documents prior to sending to the main office. Now, once the main office receive that, they will actually endorse that to the legal department. Now, the legal department will be evaluating your process again and will be checking upon the time of that visa application if you have a derogatory record. Now, derogatory record simply means you have criminal cases, pending cases that is actually in the Philippine courts right now that you need to settle. So that's a different story. So since we're only talking about the visa approval process, after you have passed through the evaluation of the immigration lawyers in the main office, if they check that it merits an endorsement for the approval of the Bureau of Immigration Commissioner, then the Chief Legal Officer will sign that particular endorsement going down to the final step, which is the agenda, as what they call, or the time that the Bureau of Immigration Commissioner and the Board of Commissioner will actually approve that certain visa application. Now, agenda or the approval of the visa normally occurs twice a month as of the time being. Before, they normally approve that on a weekly basis. But due to the circumstances brought to us by COVID, they have made some changes. And currently, for the past few months, they're doing it twice a month. So every 15 days. So after the Bureau of Immigration Commissioner and the board itself will approve that particular visa, they will now actually endorse that to the record section. So it does not mean that once the commissioner signed it, it's already been approved. Yes, it's approved, but that needs to be recorded. Recorded in the Bureau of Immigration system, and then that particular part on the record section right now will be sending notices to the Bureau of Immigration on the district offices which you filed your visa for them to do the next step, which is an implementation, which we will be talking further on our next video. Now, how long does it take? The approval upon complete submission of your requirements will normally take 2 to 3 months for the approval itself. Remember, complete submission of requirements. Should there be any compliances along the way, that does not count to the 2 to 3 months. And also, holidays does not count on the 2 to 3 months. That is where we need to be very clear to set the expectation with our foreign friends so that they would know what to expect. So from there might be also differences along the way in terms of your urgency. Now, if you wanted really to have that process quicker, then you can actually file it directly to the Bureau of Immigration main office in Manila, and approximately that would be saving you at least a month of the approval time. So that's the difference. But you need to do your capturing. If you intend to choose that, you need to do your capturing or biometrics in the Bureau of Immigration main office since you have filed your visa applications in there. Should there be a case that you're staying here in the Philippines and you don't have any flights in the near future and you have the luxury of time, then you can file it at the Bureau of Immigration district offices. So that's the difference. The reason why we pointed that out in terms of the approval, because those are the experiences that we have right now. Mind you, foreign friends, the Philippines has its own way of doing things. We're not saying that we're comparing the Philippines and your country, but we have a certain process that we go through here, and we are not that advanced yet compared to your country. So the reason why we said that is because for us to set the expectations from you, our foreign friends, and us. So, to sum up, you have actually known where your visa application will be going through on the different departments within the Bureau of Immigration. And our next video will be talking about the implementation of the approved visa, which will be in the next few days. A quick look on your visa application journey, which actually started from completion of your paperwork, filing of your visa application, and waiting for the approval, in which we have actually talked about on this video. The next video will be talking about the implementation of your approved visa. So, We hope that this video had helped you to have a knowledge or information on the correct visa application process so that you will be guided accordingly along the way. So if you have questions, please feel free to send us a message on our email or comment below on this video. Also, don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe so that you will be updated on what are the recent updates from this video, and we can actually give you also informations along the way. So see you in our next video. See you on the implementation stage. Bye. Take care.